What if everything you thought you knew about home energy was wrong? What if the shiny black rectangles on your neighbor's roof, the ones everyone calls the future, were already obsolete? And what if I told you that a single, sleek strip of engineering genius sitting on your roof ridge could generate 220% more power than those solar panels? While you sleep, while it rains, while the sun isn't even shining? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most revolutionary, and honestly, one of the most underrated, breakthroughs in residential renewable energy. This is the Ridgeblade, and it might just be the smartest investment you make for your home this decade. If you've ever felt that pang of frustration watching your solar panels sit useless under gray skies, stick around, because what you're about to learn is going to change how you think about powering your home forever. Let me take you back to 2009. A small team of engineers looked at the renewable energy landscape and saw a problem nobody else seemed to notice. Solar panels were getting all the headlines. Governments were throwing subsidies at them. Homeowners were slapping them on every roof they could find. But wind? Wind was the awkward cousin at the family reunion, relegated to giant fields in the countryside or massive offshore farms that cost billions. The question those engineers asked was simple. Why can't every home harness the wind? Not with a 100-foot tower in your backyard. Not with noisy blades that look like a helicopter crash-landed on your property. But with something elegant. Something that belongs on a roof. Something that uses the very shape of your house to amplify nature's power. That question led to years of development, patents, and testing. And in 2024, Ridgeblade was acquired by Danu Energy, a signal that the big players were finally paying attention. The result? A turbine that doesn't fight your home's architecture. It becomes part of it. Here's where it gets fascinating, and I promise, no engineering degree required. Your roof isn't just a lid on your house, it's an aerodynamic machine. When wind hits a pitched roof, something magical happens. It's called the Aeolian wind focus effect. Picture a river flowing around a rock. The water speeds up as it squeezes around the sides. Now imagine that happening with air, right along the ridge of your roof. The Ridgeblade sits precisely in that sweet spot, capturing wind that's been naturally accelerated by your home's own geometry. It's like having a natural wind tunnel built into your house, and Ridgeblade is the turbine designed to exploit it. The RB1 residential model uses modular rotor units, each just 1.2 meters long. A typical system runs 5 units along a 6.5-meter ridge, or 10 units along a 13-meter ridge. Each 5-rotor system delivers 2 kilowatts of continuous power, peaking at 2.7 kilowatts. Think about that for a second. While solar panels are passive collectors waiting for photons to bless them, the Ridgeblade is an active harvester, pulling energy from the air 24 hours a day. And here's the kicker. It works in low wind speeds. We're not talking about gale force storms. A gentle breeze is enough to get this thing spinning and generating. All right, let's talk numbers, because I know that's what you're really here for. The manufacturer states that a single RB1 system on a 40-degree pitched roof with an average wind speed of just 6 meters per second can produce 5,100 kilowatt hours per year. 5,100 kilowatt hours. To put that in perspective, the average US home uses about 29 kilowatt hours per day, roughly 10,600 kilowatt hours per year. A single Ridgeblade system could cover nearly half your annual energy needs from one strip on your roof ridge. Now compare that to solar. A typical residential solar panel produces between 150 and 370 watts, with efficiency hovering around 15% to 20%. Even the best panels on the market cap out near 20%. Wind turbines, by contrast, can harness up to 50% of the energy passing through them. That's not a marginal improvement. That's a fundamental leap. And the 220% figure? That comes from real-world comparisons, showing Ridgeblade's output dramatically outpacing equivalent solar installations, especially in regions with moderate wind but inconsistent sunshine. While your solar panels sleep at night, while they hibernate under snow, while they sulk under cloudy skies, the Ridgeblade keeps spinning. The carbon footprint is lower, too. Wind power produces just 4 grams of CO2 equivalent per kilowatt hour, compared to 6 grams for solar, 78 for gas, and a staggering 109 for coal. So you're not just saving money, you're saving the planet more effectively. Let's be brutally honest about why most homeowners haven't considered wind until now. Traditional home wind turbines are a nightmare. They need towers 60 to 100 feet tall. They require open land, at least an acre, ideally more. They're noisy, they're ugly, and your local zoning board probably has a field day when you try to install one. A typical residential wind turbine installation costs between $20,000 and $50,000, with some systems climbing past $80,000. And that's before you factor in maintenance, potential wind damage, and the specialized technicians needed for repairs. Solar panels are cheaper up front, more reliable in sunny climates, and widely accepted. But they have a fatal flaw. They only work when the sun is out. No sun, no power. It's that simple. The Ridgeblade obliterates these trade-offs. It's compact, it's lightweight, it's quiet. It mounts directly to your existing roof ridge using standard solar racking or Ridgeblade's proprietary hybrid mounting system. No tower, no acreage, no neighborhood drama. It's suitable for urban houses, suburban homes, even environmentally sensitive sites like national parks. Try getting a 100-foot wind tower approved in a national park. Go ahead, I'll wait. And unlike solar, Ridgeblade doesn't care about cloud cover. It doesn't clock out at sunset. It generates power when you need it most, during stormy nights, during overcast winters, during those long evenings when your solar panels have gone to bed. The visual impact? Minimal. From the street, it looks like a sleek ridge vent. No giant propellers. No industrial aesthetic. Just clean lines that complement your roof rather than assaulting it. So how does this actually work in practice? Let me walk you through it. First, an accredited partner assesses your roof. They check the pitch, the ridge length, the local wind conditions. The Ridgeblade system is modular, so they design a configuration that fits your specific home, 5 rotors, 10 rotors, or even hybrid setups that combine Ridgeblade with solar PV for maximum coverage. Installation is straightforward. The units mount along your roof ridge, integrating with your existing structure. Because it uses the roof's natural aerodynamics, there's no need for complex tower foundations or massive concrete pads. Once installed, the system connects to your home's electrical setup. You can go grid-tied, feeding excess power back to the utility and earning credits through net metering. Or you can go off-grid with battery storage. The RB1 is fully compatible with battery systems. Maintenance? Minimal. There are no towering blades to worry about, no guy wires to check. The design is built to withstand the elements while sitting right where your roof already protects it. And for the tinkerers out there, yes, there are smart grid capabilities. Microgrid setups. You can monitor performance, optimize output, and truly take control of your energy independence. Real-world installations are already running across Europe and beyond. Homes that were once entirely dependent on the grid or on solar panels that sat dormant half the day are now generating clean power around the clock. I'll add 3 more lines to the conclusion to give it a stronger, more impactful closing. So here's the bottom line. We've been sold a story that solar is the only game in town for residential renewable energy, and for a while that was almost true. But technology evolves, innovation disrupts, and the Ridgeblade represents exactly that kind of leap forward. It's not just about generating more power, it's about generating power smarter, power that doesn't depend on the weather forecast, power that works while you sleep, power that turns your entire house, every ridge, every pitch, every gust of wind, into an energy-producing machine. The numbers don't lie. 220% more efficient. 5,100 kilowatt hours per year from a single system. A carbon footprint lower than solar. A design that actually belongs on your home. Think about your last electricity bill. Now imagine cutting it in half. Not by using less, but by making more. Think about the next blackout in your neighborhood while your lights stay on. Think about the next cloudy week when your neighbor's solar array flatlines and your Ridgeblade just keeps humming. This isn't science fiction. This is installed, this is proven. This is happening right now on roofs across Europe, and it's coming to a neighborhood near you. The future of home energy isn't just about slapping panels on a roof and hoping for sunny days. It's about working with nature, not against it. It's about elegance meeting engineering. It's about never again feeling helpless when the sun ducks behind the clouds. It's about the Ridgeblade. If this video opened your eyes to what's possible, hit that like button. Smash the subscribe button if you want more deep dives into the tech that's actually changing how we live. Not in some distant tomorrow, but today. And drop a comment below. Are you Team Solar, Team Wind, or ready to go hybrid and truly own your energy future? The wind is already blowing. The sun will always set. But your power doesn't have to. The only question left is, are you ready to harness it? Because the homes that lead the next decade won't be the ones with the biggest solar arrays. They'll be the ones smart enough to catch the wind,